Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we got a really cool unboxing. This is the S-Nano from Ant Design. And yeah, this thing's been on Kickstarter for like months now, I think since December even, and it's finally here. But yeah, what was I gonna say? So yeah, we're also gonna be comparing it to the CP3 because I heard Kevin from Left EDC say that they're pretty similar to this thing and that he even likes it a bit more than the CP3. We're going to be comparing it to all the CP3s I have, and yeah, let's get right into this thing. I believe this is Zirc that I got. So yeah, so I'll give you guys the weight of this thing, the sound of it, and all of that. So yeah, so let's get right into it. Oh, what's this cool slip? I didn't know that was coming. Nothing else in the packaging. Gonna throw that out. Oops. So we got a cool slip here with a nice little patch and design. Quality you see with innovative designs and design. Pretty cool. A nice little slip and design. Let me see how these fit in here. So, hold on. So it does fall eventually. This is obviously a heavier material. This is stainless steel. So yeah, it does fall out. And this one, not as bad because it's Zirc. So yeah, I'm gonna put these aside. Here we go. Where do we open this thing from? So yeah, here's Ant Design's information. I'll also leave a link down below to the exact product page where you guys can get this thing. Yeah, let's get right into it. Oops. Almost fell off the table. All right. So that's it. Nothing else in the box. Okay. I like that box design, sure. So both the sides are this design. If you guys go to the site, check it out. You can actually customize this part of the this part of the fidget. You can actually customize each side of the plate. You can get like tritium tubes in here. There's like S-Nano logo here, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Maybe I'll get some new plates with that thing. Size comparison, it's a bit longer than the CP3 and the width is about the same. Let's get the weight. Alright, so I'll start off with the stainless steel CP3, 78.89. This one is 71.6. And this is 67.3. 76.6. So this is the order from heaviest to lightest. Let's see how this thing fits in the slip. I mean, it's good, but as long as you, well, I guess if you don't take it out of your pocket this way, where it can just like fall off while you're pulling it like that, maybe like put it in your pocket like this, I guess it'll be fine, but I think it could fall out. I'm not too sure. Not really a fan of this slip, to be honest. I do have other slips. This is the AC EDC one. Magnetic. Oops, my bad. So it's magnetic. And then this thing I got from Jade. Does it fit in here? Yep, it does. So yeah, I mean, it's a nice slip. I think these are like $5. So yeah. But all right, let's get into it. First clicks. Oh my god, I really like that. The clicks are different. Yeah, so like, I don't know how to describe it, but I kind of like it more. Yeah, I really dig this thing. I also watched Kevin's video on this thing. He said it just needs time to break in, but after it broke in, it was buttery smooth. You can see that S-Nano Zirc. Same here, but yeah. Here's close-ups on this thing. And you guys can see right there the magnets. They have small ones and then bigger ones as well, and a screw to hold them all in. This reminds me of the 01 slider. I don't have it anymore, but this is very similar, but they got different magnets set up, and you can change the plates, which you can't do on the 01 slider. So yeah, I've got to be honest, I love this thing. All right, let me go ahead and do the sound test with this thing. Okay, so I'll do it by itself right now. So like 80. Now we're gonna do 87, 82. Now this one, 84. And then this one, 87, 86, 81. Yeah, the max you guys can get in this thing is 81. So if you're someone that doesn't like loud stuff, I think this may be good. Like, it doesn't hurt my ears at all, but it could get annoying in front of other people, I will say that. So yeah, basically a CP3, but I would say it's a little better. I like it more. So I've had about 10 minutes with this thing, and yeah, I like it. So I think it slides on this part right here, the sides, or right over here. Yeah, still slides good, even if you put pressure on it. Yeah, I love it. I'm also going to be making another video other than the update video where I take this thing apart and show you guys how it works. So yeah, I don't have time to do that today. I gotta run somewhere real quick. So yeah, but I will be making that video soon. So stay tuned. But man, I really like this thing, man. It's different. I think these magnets make a big difference. And it's also Zirc sliding on stainless steel, I believe. So yeah, which makes it smoother. I don't think Zirc and Zirc would be that good. Maybe, I don't know. Well, for this kind of fidget, I mean. Yeah, I like it. Alright, that'll be all for this video, guys. I give this thing a solid 10 out of 10 from me. To be honest, I don't have anything bad to say about it. Yeah, everything's good, to be honest. Again, I will leave their link down below. You guys can check it out, see if you like it. But yeah, stay tuned for my follow-up video and the full breakdown video for this thing. Cannot wait for that. Maybe there's some way we can change these magnets to stronger magnets to make the clicks more clickier. But yeah, I thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. I have a lot of new videos coming out soon, really cool stuff. So yeah, again, don't miss those videos, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.